So in this video, we're going to take a look at how to set up your running head. Okay, so I kind of went through the parts already of your APA paper. And as I mentioned, the running head seems to be one section that kind of frustrates students, especially if they're doing it at the last minute. So one of the suggestions I would make is do your running head early on when you start typing your paper. Okay, even like kind of set up your paper format and then work on your running head. All right, so up here is our running head. Okay, so we're going to set that up right now. So again, we have running head, all caps here, page number here. And then on page 2, it's just the all caps and then the page number. So that's what makes it tricky when setting that up. All right, so I'm going to go to New. So I'm bringing up a new blank document. All right, and now I'm going to start my running head. So I want to go in and create a header. Okay, so I can go insert and go to header, or I can also just double click up in the header area and that will bring it up. Now, the first thing I need to do is I need to say different first page because we know it's going to be different. I'm going to go to page number. I'm going to insert a page number at the top of the page. So I'm going to go to plain number 3. And then I'm going to type in running head. And a space. And then I'm going to, in all caps, put in a shortened paper title. Okay, so for right now, I'm just going to go title. And then I'm going to hit the tab. And now I have running head with the title and then the page number here. Now, another thing I'm going to do is I'm going to select all of that and I'm going to change the font. I'm going to change it to Times New Roman because that's what we need to use and it has to be size 12. All right, so that's our first page completed. Now I'm going to add a new page. I'm just going to enter a page break here. All right, I'll go back and finish that title page once I get through my running head. And now on the second page, I'm going to go into the header again. Now remember, we went different first page, so I can do something different on this page. I'm going to say top of page again, and I'm going to insert my page number. So notice I have page 2. Up here we have page 1. It just kept the pages running normally because I didn't put any kind of section breaks in, okay? So you don't have to worry that because I have different first page, it's going to start all over again at 1 or something like that. That's not a concern. Now I just have to write in the shortened version. So I'm just going to go with title. I'm going to tab it out. And I'm going to select it. I'm going to go back to home. I'm going to go Times New Roman. And I'm going to go size 12. And that's everything. So notice even your page numbers change to Times New Roman. And that is something, believe me, I do notice if it's not in Times New Roman. So you want to make sure you get all those little details correct. Okay, so now we have a running head. So let's just go, I'm going to add my third page just to kind of test it all and see how the next page turns out. And lo and behold, I'll click in here just so you can see it well. We have our little shortened version of the running head and the page number. Okay, so number 3. Here we are, number 2 with the shortened version. And then on the title page, we have the words running head, the shortened version, and the page numbers. So now we are ready to start to shape the rest of our paper using indents and line spacing and some other formatting. I'll close this and we will prepare to move on with our title page.